I want to tell you one thing. Do you know the computer networking course? Means socket programming. So now I'll be tell you in the socket programming there is one chapter that is called I/O multiplexing. When you search this from the your YouTube, okay, when you search I/O multiplexing chapter in your YouTube, you can find this in the top of the playlist. That suppose here I am like I/O multiplexing, then you see my video in the top of the list I/O multiplexing. You see, yes, this is the I/O multiplexing socket programming, and here you can find the Kritika Entertainment. Also I/O multiplexing socket programming. Select API in socket programming, Kritika Entertainment, and it is also I/O multiplexing in socket programming, and it is also I/O multiplexing. So 4 videos you can find top of the in the YouTube list, so that you can learn. And these videos you never find in YouTube because it is most popular videos are not everyone uploaded this video I/O multiplexing socket program. So keep read this and enjoy and be strong in what is I/O multiplexing in socket programming. Okay, then start. Hello, welcome to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I will start the program in TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Means how to create a chat program in TCP, or how to create a half duplex program in TCP. Okay, I have to tell you, if you are beginner for TCP, then in the description list I have given the link that is for beginners. Those are not aware of what is TCP, what is socket, all these things you will be get inside that video. So follow, I have given all types of links. That means if you are beginners for UDP, TCP, and what is fork processing, what is I/O multiplexing, all videos I have given in the description list. But now today I will start the TCP chat program. Okay, so here write the TCP server, suppose 3.c. Okay, same as this type here. Suppose here write the gedit. Okay, gedit, gedit. So here also same also gedit. Okay, and TCP client. Here like the chat server. Okay, chat server, and here is write the okay chat client, chat client .c. Okay, so here press the enter. So my program is what? It is a half duplexing or chat program in TCP. So now I will write all the header files hash include, okay, hash include stdio.h. the next hash include, okay, string.h, then hash include, okay, hash include what is stdlib.h. Now I will write all header files hash include, okay, what is the sys types.h, then hash include, okay, hash include what to write now sys socket.h, okay, then hash include, okay,
then I'll write orpa plus inet dot h, then hash include, okay, hash include net inet slash in dot h, then hash include, okay, net inet slash ip dot h, then hash include, okay, uni std dot h. All these header files I'll write. Then int main, okay, then I will start the program. Here I will declare int, okay, what is the server fd? Server fd is equal to, what will write, you will declare socket, okay, you will declare the socket. In socket you will be declare the, what is protocol, if underscore inet, then which type socket I am going to be used, sock stream, because it is a TCP type socket. And what is the protocol, IP proto underscore TCP. If you are doing UDP, then you can write also UDP, okay. Then if, okay, if server fd equals to -1, okay, then socket creation failed, p error, okay, p error, then socket creation failed, socket creation failed, okay. So then slash n, okay, then close, then exit, okay, that means my program will be terminated there. If it fails further, do not go ahead the program. So then I will declare the structure of sock, okay, addr underscore in, okay, server, then client, okay. So then server, okay, dot scene family is equal to af underscore inet, then server dot scene port is equal to, what write, stonl, okay, 5000, next server, okay, server dot, what write, scene underscore addr dot s underscore addr is equal to, okay, you can write in addr underscore any address, it will, IP it will take. Then I will do the bind function, int b is equal to, what to write, now bind, okay, when I will pass the server fd, okay, server fd, then what to write, struct, okay, sock addr, then a pointer, okay, ampersand server will be bind, what is the size of server, will be write size of server, okay, then bracket will be closed, you write if b equals to -1, okay, then bracket will start, p error bind failure, okay, bind failure, then slash n, okay, then type the exit 0, my bracket will be closed, okay. Then we will write the listen function. Listen is used to listening the number of requests from the client. So here will write server fd, okay, 5, that means 5 number clients you can be listen it for incoming connection. Then next I will write, okay, int, okay, size is equal to size of, okay, size of suppose client, okay. So then what to write here, int client fd is equal to, okay, then I will write accept, what to write here, will be pass, okay, server fd, okay, then struct server, the struct client, sock addr, then pointer, then ampersand, okay, client, and then, okay, then size of, then not size of, ampersand size, okay, then ampersand size. Then what will do next? You will be write if client FD equals to -1. Okay, then what will you write here? P error socket accept function accept failed. Okay, then /n. Okay, give the bracket, close. Then you will write the exit. Okay, 0. Okay, then close this. Okay, then after what will do? After this, then you can receive printf. Okay, percentile s requested incoming request from percentile s/n. Okay, here write. Okay, inet underscore ntoa. Okay, client and dot scene underscore addr. Okay, the bracket close. Then here write. Suppose I have closed the bracket for little bit to check whether my program is running or not. Then after I will be tried for the chatting. Okay, so what will do next? I will be same code copy here. Okay, then same code I will be copy here. Control A select. Okay, then I will be save it. Then close it. Before close and tell you I will be clear the screen when you run. So here will type the clear function. Okay, then what will do here? Do copy, then copy. Okay, then save here. Then close this. Here again start and I will do the paste. Okay, so I will be modification, do the little modification. Instead of server FD, I will be write here. Okay, client FD. Then instead of server FD, this is a client side, so you will write the client FD. Okay, client FD. Then instead of client, I will remove the client because it is a three-way handshake. So once connected, no need to require the client variable. So here you only write. Then no need to bind. Instead of bind, here use the what? Which function? Client side connect function. So here write connect function. Okay, so connect function. Okay, then okay. Then here will type the C. If C connection failure, then here write the connect failure. Okay, connect failure. Okay, then it will be remove this. Okay, then okay, then will be remove the size of this. Will be you remove this. Okay, only will be write. Okay, so you will remove this. Then your only message will become okay connected to server. Okay, only message will come. Okay, printf. Okay, connected to server. Okay, so /n. Then close the bracket. Okay, I will run this program and check whether it is running or not successful. Then after I will do the chat program. Okay, so here what will do? Will be first compile and check whether it is error or not error. So yes, it is successfully compiled and run. So here you will be also compile this code. Okay, and GCC. So error size of server you cannot use because okay connect, then ampersand which line it will display the error. Line is 25. So you will be go to 25. Okay, then size of server first use the server FD. Okay, here remove the server FD. Instead of server FD, you write the client FD. Okay, you write the client FD. Then you save this and close this. Okay, and run. Okay, so yes, successful compile ./get.out. Okay, then connected incoming request from this message. Then next what I'll do here, suppose you will be do one thing. now we do the chat program. So after connected, anyone can send the message, whether it is client or server. So server first send the message. Okay, so here write char send snd for sending purpose 20. Okay, then RCV for receive purpose. Okay, 20. Okay, then semicolon. Okay, then what will write? While, okay, while one. Okay, then you write printf. Okay, printf enter message to client. Enter message to client. So here will write scanf percentile s. Okay, snd %snd. Okay, then okay, then send this message. Send. Okay, what is the FD will be used? Client FD. Okay, then will be used the SND. Okay, strlen. Okay, SND. Then your flag will be 0. Okay, then this will message will be sent. Then I will be check here whether it is receiving or not. So close this and it will go to this side. Okay, then I will be receive first. So that what will write here? You will write here char snd. Okay, 20. Then RCV. Okay, 20. Then you first use the RC function. So here write okay while okay one while one. Then will be use the int. Okay, int r for receive purpose is equal to int r is equal to okay. Then RCV receive. What will you receive? It will be used okay RCV client FD. Okay, client FD. Then RCV. Okay, then size of RCV. Okay, then flag will be 0. Okay, then what will do here? Will be write. Okay, will be write RCV. Okay, RCV R is equal to null. Okay, then printf message from server is %s/n. Okay, RCV. Then we check whether it is successfully running or not. Then it is a close up of while bracket. So I will run this and check. Okay, so it will be error end of statement. So I have missed a statement, one statement, that is called close bracket. So I will be close this and run this. Okay, then okay successful ./a.out. Okay, then same as here also. This is successfully compiled. Okay, connected, enter message. Suppose I write hello. Okay, hello. Again bye. But now server want to client want to send. This is server side send the message. So now client will want to send the message. So what will do here? You will be write here snd. Okay, so here write the printf. Okay, enter message to server. Okay, enter message to server. So what will write here? Scanf. Okay, %s. Okay, so then snd. So same thing. I am not doing anything. I just copy and paste here. Okay, paste here. So instead of RCV, I will write here. Okay, send. So snd, here write the snd, that is only. Then strlen snd, then write here strlen. Okay, then close this. Okay, then same thing, I'll be write the receive function there. So here what I'll do, only this line copy and paste in server side. So I'll close this. Okay, so here we'll open this message, then here we'll write, okay, receive message. So I'll be copy and paste this. Okay, so okay, then RCB, after send, message will come from this side, a client FD, receive, size of RCB 0, then RCB 0, message from client. Instead of server, you will write the client. Okay, then I will run this program. You just check whether it is running or not. Okay, so here, okay, then successfully compiled. Then it is also the message, and here write suppose hello. Message come from the server, message to client, then message from server this, then it is write bye. That's a bye. Then enter message suppose good. This is good. So this is for hello. Suppose TikTok. Tick. So it is not terminating. So we will write the program exit keyword. So when it will face the exit keyword, it will be close the program. Okay. So here I'll be go and write the exit. So here what to write here? It will write, okay, if SND will be true, if it will be send the SND, if okay strcmp, if okay strcmp, okay if strcmp SND, okay exit, okay then okay SND equals to 0. I want to tell you one thing, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye. So here what will do it, if you want to another programs for function, what is IO multiplexing, what is sequential server, all the networks video you can below go to the description list, so you can find all the programs about beginners. So here also you can write, okay, if same thing, if SND, if you find, okay, if you find, not write this time, okay, if you find receive side come the exit, then it is also close. Okay, if you write RCB also, if it just does this does it come, then it will also close the program. Okay, and same thing here, I will save this, okay, then close, and only here also this side also I will go, and same thing here also write if, okay, send also, it is send, then after sending it should be close the send exit. Okay, after send it will be closed. So again same thing, if it receive, okay, it will receive, then it will also close the message. Okay, so here you can paste here. Okay, so here also you can write RCB. Okay, RCB. Okay, you can also. Okay, so here again I'll be check in the client side, a server side, whatever I written. So send message, after send this should be, okay, then what, now should be close the program. So here after send will be right. Okay, then receive also, after display it should be, okay, quit the program. So here I'll be write the this. Okay, then I'll be close the program. Okay, then I want to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, then I will type here also same thing, I'll be run message from the to the client, suppose hello. So here come then I have written Kritika. Kritika will come, then again write the entertainment. And it will come. Suppose server does not want to continue, say it will press the exit. So both sides, okay, so it will be exited. So I think you have understand. If you understand, then like, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it, okay, then you continue, you get the continue the program. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye, thank you.